Good day, dear learners. Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Doc Gilma. Are you ready, class, for the next lesson? So if you're ready, just sit back, relax, and listen carefully to the topic to be discussed for today. Alright, class, let's begin. The topic I will be discussing for today's lesson is all about basic concepts in geometry. Take note, class, in geometry, point, line, and plane are considered undefined terms because they are only explained using examples and descriptions that lie on the same line. Points, lines, and planes are the building blocks of geometry. Segments, rays, and angles are defined in terms of these basic figures. Point. It has neither length nor width but indicates direction. It is commonly represented by a dot and denoted by a capital letter. For instance, you have here a dot and a capital letter A. This is simply read as point A. Consider another point here. We have letter B, capital letter B. This is simply read as point B. And we have another point here, capital C. This is simply read as point C. So take note of that. Line. It is a set of infinite number of points which can be extended in opposite direction. Consider the sets of points here. Point A, point B, and we have point C, point D, and point E. Connecting these points here, we form a line. How do we name a line? In naming a line, we can simply name a line using two given points. Consider 2 points here. We have point P and point Q. Connecting these points here, we form a line. We simply read this as line PQ. Consider the symbol used for a line. So as you can see, this is the symbol used for a line. Okay, as you can see, we have here line PQ. We can also name a line using a small letter. For instance, we have here a small letter L. This is simply read as line L. So take note of that. Plane. It is a set of points and lines which can be extended in all directions. Consider the given figure here. We have point A, point B, and point C. We simply name a plane using three given points or a capital letter. This is simply read as plane E or plane ABC. How about segment? When we talk about segment, it is a part of a line with two endpoints. Consider two given points here, point A and point B. Connecting these 2 points, as you can see here, we form a line segment. This symbol here is used to name a line segment. So this is simply read as segment AB. As you can see, the two endpoints given here are point A and point B. Consider a ray. When we talk about ray, it is simply a part of a line with one endpoint. Consider two given points here. We have point A and point B. Connecting these 2 points with one endpoint, we form a ray. As you can see, the endpoint is point A. This is the symbol used for a ray. So this is simply read as ray AB. So take note of that. Consider angles. When we talk about angles, it is simply the union of two rays with a common endpoint called the vertex. Consider here point A and point B. Connecting these 2 points here with endpoint A, we simply have ray AB. Consider again point A and we have point C here. Connecting these 2 points A and C, wherein point A will be the endpoint, we have here ray AC. As you can see, these two given rays here, ray AB and ray AC, form an angle. How do we name an angle? We can simply name an angle in 3 different ways. Consider this given illustration here. We can name this as angle A. So as you can see, we have the symbol for angle. This is read as angle A. Then we can also name an angle using 3 letters. For instance, we have here angle does not lie in the same line as points A, B, C, D, and E. Coplanar points are points that lie on the same plane. Consider a given plane here. We have points A, B, and point C. This is simply plane E. Take note, class. Points A, B, and C are coplanar points since they lie on the same plane. While points A, B, and P are non-coplanar points. As you can see, point P does not lie on the same plane as point A and point B. So take note of that. Consider other important facts. Two distinct points determine a line. By just connecting 2 points, we can form a line. Two lines intersect at exactly 1 point. If two lines intersect, there is only 1 point of intersection. Take note of that. Three non-collinear points determine a plane. When we talk about non-collinear points, these are points that do not lie in the same line. While collinear points are points that lie on the same line. Take note, class skills are developed through constant correct practice, and there will always be a room for improvement. That's all for today. Stand by for more lessons. Stay safe, everyone, and may God bless us all.